Lang, the expert in 5-axis milling and automation. We are driven by your needs. Innovative clamping solutions for your milling requirements are our strength. In combination with efficient automation solutions, our product line covers the complete manufacturing process of your workpieces. Our patented pre-stamping plays a major role in the manufacturing process. Stamped with the external system at up to 20 tons, components are clamped differently than with conventional systems and don't need oversized clamping fixtures. The resulting material depth of the form contour is unattainable, especially in harder materials. After pre-stamping the work with form closure, the stamped workpiece is clamped in the toothed jaws with a clamping depth of just 3 mm and is now ready for operation in the machine tool. For a long time now, the unmanned, automated delivery of workpieces has been a standard part of any future-oriented manufacturing facility. One of 3 different automation systems is our Eco-Compact 20, which can hold up to 20 pellets, fixtures or vices. The simple operating features and competitive price help our customers with an uncomplicated start into automated manufacturing. A special feature in Lang automation systems is the integrated zero-point activation, which is located underneath the gripper. All the advantages of form closure technology are fully realized with the milling process. Lang's compact clamping fixtures deliver the necessary combination of holding power and accessibility for 5-axis machining. The longest standing of all Lang products is the CleanTech fan. Exchanged in the tool magazine, its wings open when the main spindle is rotated. It then cleans the machine table and fixture efficiently by means of airflow. CleanTech, a must in automated manufacturing. With the introduction of the Avanti jaw system, the flexibility of the entire automation vise is shown for milling the 6th side. With its patented jaw exchange, various clamping situations are accomplished within seconds. Even delicate contours can be clamped and machined effortlessly with the Avanti. The concept of a complete modular system has always played an important role at Lang. The simple exchange of clamping jaws provides the opportunity to complete the entire manufacturing of one component with just one vise. With a patented clamping interface of the Avanti jaws, the precise positioning of the last side of your workpiece is guaranteed. This ensures consistency and adds to the high quality of your components. It is said that form closure technology is the best of what raw material clamping has to offer. This technology is now ideally complemented with the Avanti jaw system, creating the perfect combination for all requirements in the milling process. Through maximum process safety and perfect handling features, whether manual or automated, Lang sets new standards in the complete manufacturing process from raw material to finished workpiece. Lang, the expert in 5-axis machining and manufacturing optimization.